So hi, how are you guys? I have again uploaded another video again, and yeah, today I'm playing Pokemon Fire Red version, and I got a Meowth, so ignore it. Yeah, my pinky finger got hurt badly while I was playing football, so yeah, let's try to find a new Pokemon. It's a PG. I sped this fight up because it has nothing to do with what I will do today. And yeah, from the title, you know what I'm going to do today. Yeah, fight in the Cerulean Gym. If you guys want me to restart over again, I will play Pokemon Yellow. And yeah, I want to go in the Route 6 now. How can I go? That place says it is blocked. I gone there. So let's go to the first Pokemon Center. Oh, where am I going? Wait a second. And yeah, I am playing this on mobile. You will think, how can you even play this on mobile? There is an app. If you want that app's name, just tell me, I will give you. And yeah, I have a bit of Pokemon. I have actually, played a lot. So now I am in this place, Cerulean City. So wait, yeah. After a bit time we will fight with Misty. So let's. I sped this up because she literally just yaps. She yaps like a Yapatron. So see my Pokemon now. Okay, so now see my Pokemon. And yeah guys, because my pinky finger is badly hurt, I cannot give Minecraft video. You will think why? Because it has, yeah, it is a very big type of thing. Like I was playing football in practice, I told him to give me the ball by his hand. Yeah, my playing partner's hand. And then bro just shot it on the ground so hard. It literally was coming to my face. So when I was going to save it, my pinky finger turned down and yeah, I got it. And then it was popped up like a balloon. So yeah. And yeah, Minecraft needs a bit too much. Yeah, using fingers. And this thing I can just put here and then, yeah. So let's go now again in Route 6. Let's see if we can find a bit of new. No, not there. Yeah. Bit of new Pokemon that I can use. Yeah, like I've tried this, but now that I've bet the. Where can I even go from? Where can I go from Route 6? Wait, what is this? Underground path. Yeah, that's a little child. So let's go. I did so much work, so just start over again. We are at Route 6. Let's go. Yeah. I'm literally Mario right now. Yeah, whatever. So let's try to find a new Pokemon. PG, bro. whatever I mean whatever happens in this following clip, I just kept finding the Pokemon I have caught or do not want to catch. Yeah. So I sped this clip a little too much because I don't want you guys to suffer from watching this. Yeah, this is my last try. Audition. I have one. I saw a video of a guy fighting with the audition. He actually beat the Misty. So we are going again. And now I think I never lose something here. So now I will go to the PC and then take my audition. What is happening with me? Yeah, we are going again. Let's go now. Finally. Bro, what is wrong? Yeah. Now let's go. You see that house? I will actually check that house in my next episode if I give the episode. And now I will take my audition. And yeah guys, can you tell me what new Pokemon I can find in Route 6? And how to cut down trees? How to cut it? Yeah, no need to tell me that. I can watch a tutorial. I need this Metapod to evolve so badly. And yeah, monkey, yeah, that thing is rooted if I evolve. So now let's get our audition. These are all my Pokemons. Let's get my audition. What? Cancel? Yeah. No. Fear. Log off. Now let's go. The final battle now. I've beat all of area like small type of little type of things. Yeah, little type of guards. And now I am about to beat her. I tried one time, I lost. So now let's do it again. She only has 2 Pokemon. And I have a full party, but I still lost. So let's see. I literally lost with Starry and yeah. I guess we can defeat him this time. Oh yes! Yes, we defeated it. Please Charmeleon, do not die when Starmie comes. Do not die. Yeah, let's go. Do not die. Please. Please kill it. Please kill it, please. Yeah, we still have a chance with Peak Root. Yeah, I mean audition. No, let's see. Nah. Beetroot. Yeah. Beetroots. It's all up to you. Why I said that? Because all of my Pokemon that I have is not usable. We lost. Why? Because Pikachu using Pikachu can defeat it. Pikachu is literally level 8. And yeah, the following clip is where I lost. So I sped this up so you guys don't have to suffer. I thought PG could beat it because it has attract. So it can be attracted. And then yeah. So now I lost. And yeah. See you in the other video. For now, bye my friends.